Every month, your favorite apps are secretly draining your wallet. ChatGPT, Midjourney, Notion, Otter. By the time you add them up, the average creator is paying over $100 a month just to exist online. But here's what nobody tells you. The free alternatives finally caught up. And they don't just match the paid apps. In some cases, they're better. I'm Alawíz Ai, and after 30 days of testing, I found 10 AI tools that feel like you shouldn't even have access to them for free. No trials, no credit cards, no tricks. If you like keeping your money, tap subscribe and stay tuned. You're gonna love this. Let's start with visuals. Tool number 1, Leonardo.ai, the Midjourney killer. We all love Midjourney, but paying $30 a month just to talk to a Discord bot is over. Leonardo is the 2026 king of free generation. They just launched their Phoenix engine, and they give you 150 free credits every single day. That's not a total limit, that's a fresh batch every 24 hours. You get a full creative dashboard, professional upscaling, and it's completely browser-based. It's the closest thing to unlimited Midjourney quality you will find without spending a single naira or dollar. Tool number 2, Pika and Luma Dream Machine, cinematic video for free. Stock footage is expensive and filming is hard. Pika and Luma are currently in a free tier war. Right now, you can generate high-fidelity 4-second clips for free in 1080p. I use this for all my YouTube B-roll. Instead of searching for hours, I just describe what I want and the AI builds it. This alone saves me $50 a month on stock footage sites. Now let's move into the big brain tools. Tool number 3, Notebook LM, the Infinite Researcher. This is the most underrated tool on the list. Notebook LM by Google is 100% free, and it is the only AI that actually understands your private data. You can upload 50 PDFs, YouTube transcripts, or meeting notes, and it becomes an expert on them. The best part? The audio overview. It generates a full-length podcast where 2 AI hosts discuss your notes. I use this to read long tech reports while I'm stuck in traffic. It's productivity on autopilot. Tool number 4, DeepSeek V3, the GPT-4 killer. If you're a developer or a student, stop using the free version of ChatGPT for logic. DeepSeek came out of nowhere and is currently topping the global charts. It handles complex coding, advanced math, and deep reasoning better than almost any free model I've tested. It's open weight, it's fast, and it doesn't give you those annoying "I'm just an AI" disclaimers. It just works. Time for the illegal hacks. Tool number 5, Google AI Studio, the developer's secret. Most people use the Gemini app, but if you go to AI Studio, you get access to Gemini 1.5 Pro, completely free. Why is this a big deal? Because it has a 2 million token context window. You can upload a 2-hour video or a massive 1,000-page book, and it can find one specific sentence in seconds. This is enterprise-grade AI sitting right there for anyone with a Gmail account. Tool number 6, Perplexity, the search replacement. I haven't used a traditional search engine in 3 months. Perplexity reads the internet for you, filters out the ads, and gives you a cited answer. The free version is unlimited for basic search. It's the difference between searching for an answer and just having it. And finally, the creator stack. Tool number 7, WhisperFlow, voice dictation. If you hate typing, WhisperFlow gives you 2,000 free words of voice dictation, and it's shockingly accurate for technical topics. Tool number 8, Gamma, instant presentations. Need pitch decks or client slides? Gamma builds full presentation slides in under a minute. No design skills needed. Tool number 9, 11 Labs, the free voice tier. 11 Labs still has the best voices in the game, and in 2026, they rolled out a completely free cloning tier for short-form audio. Reels, narration, and Shorts. Tool number 10, Grok, the news engine. Grok on X is the fastest real-time news feed on the internet. It's basically a global scanner that lets you track events, tech, markets, and politics before mainstream news picks it up. That is thousands of dollars in value unlocked for free. The links to every single tool are in the description. The goal of this channel is to help you stay ahead of the curve without going broke. If this video helped you save even $10 this month, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. It tells the algorithm that creators care about value, not hype. I'm Alawiz. Stay smart, stay free, and I'll see you in the next one.